Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze next week gold forecast for next week gold trading. So my Telegram link is below. Last week made massive profit from the gold trading. You can join with link is below and the VIP access and get the much more profit from the gold tradings. That's the accurate gold trading analysis signals in this VIP group. So let's see what will going on next week. This is the pattern, triangle pattern. You can see I am in a 4 hour chart. This is the breakout. More people are told that is a fake breakout. I am telling that is not fake breakout. 2417 is the last week highest price. That's the historical highest price in gold. That's the last week. So this is the breakout to the upside. I am hoping next week also breakout to the upside. You have a buy opportunity also next week. So breakout to the downside, that is the sell opportunity. So let's see the what is the economic data going on. This is the most important things. Gold price finished the week with the gains amid geopolitical tension shy 2400. That is the Iran-Israel war is the tension for investors is still continuing. That is the goal is the safe haven asset. That's the goal demand with the that's the geopolitical tension. That's the shy for the investors. That is the reason for gold demand. So let's see the what is the Fed watch tool website. That's the American Central Bank. What is saying US dollar. That's the Fed watch tool website. June FOMC meeting. You can see the about 80% forecast to the interest rate pause again. That is the reason for dollar demand. Dollar demand, but gold not sell. What is the reason? Gold demand much more as the safe haven asset. That is the reason for gold demand. That's the other side. Gold dollar is the also demand. This is the Forex factory next week. US GDP quarterly report is there. 2.5 is the forecast to the drop the GDP report. If GDP report drop that the dollar sell off and gold again buy opportunity. So let's see the what is the technically pictures, technically analysis. That's the breakout and going to the upside. So I am hoping this breakout to the upside. So technically this is the 4 hour chart goal. So I am hoping next week this is the much more liquidity in upside and collect liquidity upside also. But as the safe haven asset goal is the more demand with the geopolitical tension. This is the pattern. This is the triangle pattern. So I am hoping it is to break out to the upside next week also. So wait for the breakout and retest. So that is the next week. I am hoping that's the buy opportunity. So wait breakout and retest. That is your buy opportunity. So I am hoping this is the your target 2430 level is the target. So that is the next week price action with the technical and fundamentals. Trade with the risk management. Gold is the more volatile pair. So get the money management as well as the risk management as well. So get the trade from the smaller time frames confirmations. So thank you very much.